Hi, this is Isabel Litzler. This is the place to be to develop your skills and grow your potential. So today I wanted to talk about a platform that I found which seems very interesting for students. It's called Talendo. So it's a platform when you're looking for internships. So usually when you're a student, the big challenge that you have is to find an internship after your program, someone that will let you develop your skills a little bit more and test your potential with a company, and those are not necessarily easy to find. I've talked about this before also on where to go online to find those kinds of internships. It's the same as looking for a job. Probably most of the market is hidden and it's via a networking that you will find those internships, but at least there are some platforms where you can apply, especially from abroad. Just know in general that employers will always favor giving internships or even first jobs to students that are local rather than international students, unless they have an exchange program or something like that where you spend some time doing your studies in Switzerland. So that's just in general, just to know that it's going to be hard to pick up an internship from abroad. Again, there's a lot already on the local market to pick from. Universities offer a lot of students every year. So it's going to be very, very difficult that an employer will pick an intern from abroad unless they have some kind of specific need. Let's say they need someone who can speak Chinese and they can't find someone locally, or some type of skill that is just difficult to find with the local students. But now universities are also developing programs to train people in things that used to be difficult to find, like engineers and people in artificial intelligence and cybersecurity and all those things. But now schools are also building up programs, and there's a lot of students already to pick from. So that's just a little bit of a sideline, just to know how it works in Switzerland when you're looking for an internship and how to go about it. Again, it's always that step by step. First the employees will scan locally to find the intern, with also programs with local schools. And if they don't find anyone locally, only then they will be looking abroad. But again, there's enough students and schools where usually they can find interns. Sometimes they will go on the other side of the border in France for IT because they really have difficulties finding people locally. But it would be very, very rare that an employer will go all across the world to find someone and do all the paperwork for them to come to just do an internship for a couple of months. So again, check this Talendo platform. I thought it was very helpful and very interesting, and let me know what you think about it. I will talk to you soon.